Hi, welcome to Champion Trading Corporation. Today we're demonstrating a cleated incline belt conveyor. It's got a, not sure how many cubic feet this is. It's 5, 6, or 7 cubic foot. We'll have to figure that out, but it's a 46 inches by 32 by about 28, 30 inches deep. 12-inch wide belt. The travel is 10 feet long. The discharge height is about 9 feet. 9 feet. It's a 1/3 horsepower, 230, 460, three-phase conveyor. It's mounted with, as you can see, to an air clutch. It goes to a Windsmith gear reducer, reducing about, we figured, 12 to 14 feet per minute on the cleats. So it's generally it's a supply conveyor. That PMC is the manufacturer. Call it a supply bin, whether you're doing caps or bottles or any kind of parts, or it's a stainless steel hopper and a heavy-duty belt conveyor, and discharges out about 9 foot. So hopefully you can use something like this. Thanks for visiting us today at Champion Trading, and check out our equipment at www.champtrading.com. Thank you.